Greetings, I'm Nora, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into our energy to see what the heck you got going on. Gratitude, hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. I appreciate every last one of you. Let's go ahead and get into it. Energy is always fluid. I could be speaking of a masculine, it could be a feminine energy. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. What is it that y'all need to know? What's going on with the Divine Space family, friends, and collective? We got gut feeling. Somebody has a feeling. Something's in wrong. Something's in wrong. Got to look on you. But yeah, there's some sort of gut feeling here. Your intuition. You have an intuition. Your intuition has been warning you about a particular situation regarding your relationship, or a particular, not simply a situation, but possibly a particular person as well, with this gut feeling. So you got a gut feeling in regards to something. Think about this gut feeling for the Divine Space family, friends, and collective. What is it that you need to know in regards to this gut feeling? Gut feeling. Clock. Needing time takes time. In time, cycles, time to heal, progression. So there's a time here. I don't know if somebody's running out of time, a gut feeling in regards to something getting ready to be revealed within a certain amount of time. Maybe something's getting ready to happen within a certain amount of time, and you have a feeling something is happening, something did happen, something getting ready to happen, or something like that. But it's definitely have something to do with the clock, something about the time. All right. Clarify this gut feeling and time and this clock. What is it that we need to know in regards to this gut feeling? Gut feeling, clock, say spirit. Gut feeling, clock. Gut feeling, clock. Gut feeling, clock. I'm seeing an energy of conflict here. Number 55 can definitely be significant in regards to this gut feeling and clock. It seems like it creates some sort of angry situation. All right, I'm definitely seeing an energy of smoke. Somebody's very angry, especially if it has something to do with change. Somebody's not accepting some sort of change, or something changes. I don't know. Clarify this gut feeling and clock. A message. Now, this message is showing like it's on a paper or something like that. This could be a text message. It could be a DM. Okay. This could be like a phone call. All right. But I'm definitely seeing that there is some sort of surprising message, especially when it comes to this gut feeling and time. Okay. It taking time. I feel like this may be divine timing. You're receiving something within divine timing. With faith coming out, clarifying that number 46 could be significant regarding a connection. All right. That you possibly think that is real love, someone that you have a family with, is regarding some sort of connection. You look, and it's talking about you receiving some sort of awakening. I'm also seeing the energy of concern here, especially when it comes to someone that you thought that was in your in your corner, that actually is not. That's actually coming out as an enemy. And trust your intuition. With this intuitive cave spirit, I want you to continue to trust your intuition because it's right. Whoever you are, you're very intuitive. You're very psychic. I feel like whoever you are, you may possibly have a spiritual practice with this high priestess and occupation. Whoever you are being led by your spiritual, like your spirit guides, your ancestors. I'm seeing energy of some sort of mental and emotional, yeah, someone mentally and emotionally unstable that you may be connected to, or maybe they're trying to cause within you. I'm seeing you guys coming out as star seed energies. Number 53. Okay. Anything else? Now, when they say star seed, it could be like indigo child, rainbow baby, or something like that. For someone of, the stars, I'm seeing someone receiving karma for their action because there was an energy manipulation. There's a lot of people getting karma because of being manipulative, manipulating a situation and think they're going to get away with it. That's what I'm seeing here. Spirit is revealing a lot of things that were possibly hidden or being hidden. Anything else in regards to this gut feeling and clock? I'm seeing you guys are protected with this protection card out here. There's an energy of divinity here. You have angels all around you. You could be like an earth angel, is what I'm seeing here with this divinity and this protection, is what I'm showing here. Okay. Anything else? There's a lot going on that you don't even see, that they are hiding from you, because I'm seeing the eyes being closed. It's like you're up against some sort of Jezebel spirit. There's a Jezebel spirit in your energy. That's what I'm seeing here. You know, the Jezebel spirit is someone that's very lustful. This is like the Knight of Wands energy, or possibly even worse. willing to sleep or do anything. This person possibly watch porn or something like that. I'm seeing you operating out of divinity. There's an energy of you guys working within your purpose, living in your purpose. You get what I'm saying, and abandoning what this person is behind. I'm saying that there's spiritual growth here, especially due to the things that they have been saying and spreading about you. There's an energy of somebody going to spiritual jail. There's an energy of jail, court, jail, flying monkeys. I feel like whoever they've been dealing with or been carrying on whatever this is also going to be experiencing some sort of imprisonment as well. I'm seeing energy of people being blocked. Spirit is revealing behind the veil. Okay. This is an energy of showing you the things that are being hidden, the things that are going on in the spirit or getting ready to happen in the spirit. And I see you guys in this energy of abundance with this work, labor, and efforts. This is almost like the Nine of Pentacles. That's what I'm seeing here. Look, rich girl energy. Look, that's what I felt. It's almost like a Nine of Pentacles energy where there's an energy of you guys having independent stability, security as well, and finances. Where you come, I'm seeing you being in alignment from what I'm seeing here. All right, somebody's trying to cause or create some sort of bondage, to your spirit or your energy, or try to, I don't know. There's energy of them trying to like interfere with your peace. There's some sort of interference with your peace or trying to throw your chakras off or throw you out of alignment. And with this bondage, this is like devil energy, toxic obsession, sex addictions, wanting your back against the wall and talking negatively about you, possibly write negatives about things about you to third parties and just to sway people to work in their favor or have a crowd just work thing, be on their side. I'm seeing the most high is looking out for you. There's the energy of these people being your footstool. This is like an energy of the Most High blessing you, providing to you, giving to you, gifting you in front of those people that came up against you. I'm seeing an energy of single, sexy, and successful where there's a you moving on. Look, from all these people is what I'm showing here. I'm seeing people being left in the energy of confusion because of some sort of illusion that was being casted, possibly even by your twin. That have some sort of obsession with you. Anything else in regards to this gut feeling and clock? Number 58, number 40 can definitely be significant. I'm seeing that there is justice here with this legal card. I am seeing this person thinking about you a lot. Or try, yeah, there's an energy of deep thought, especially when it comes to a connection with you or some sort of connection they had with you. I'm seeing an energy of someone possibly waiting for you after a period of time. And it's like you never come around and it grows into like envy and jealousy because how dare you deny me or not want anything to do with me. I see your ancestors here assisting you. You're coming out as a healer. I'm seeing a lot of animosity around you because of the favor that you have. It seems like they want to abuse you so bad, or some of these people have already abused you mentally, emotionally, or physically. An earth angel didn't know who you was. You were sweet to these people. You were loving and kind, especially those that you were in a relationship with that took total advantage of you. They try to utilize witchcraft. That's why they're going to level you up in front of everybody. Some of these people you were in a commitment with, from what I'm seeing here, they didn't love you the same way you loved them with this Ice King. Okay. A lot of emotionally unavailable, emotionally closed off energies from what I'm seeing here that you have ascended from. Look, did not say obsession, having some sort of obsession with you or something like that. You had to learn how to love yourself because you couldn't kept giving to these people. They were going to continue to keep taking, taking, taking. That's why Spirit said, listen to your intuition, especially when it comes to your gut feelings. All right. I'm seeing an energy of a ritual. Maybe you could have done some sort of been doing some sort of self-love ritual, which is like taking bubble baths with candles and sprinkling like rose petals in your water, putting some sea salt, some Epsom salt in your water or something like that, playing you some slow jazz music. You get what I'm saying? Loving on yourself. Look, there's an energy of bliss here. Loving on yourself. I'm seeing energy of you being with having this energy of bliss and happiness, learning how to be happy alone, or learned how to be alone and happy again. All right. Number 45 could be significant. Anything else? Anything else in regards to gut feeling and clock? I'm seeing that there's a thief here. Be careful with somebody you get ready to meet. I feel like you may have even gotten a reading or seen another reading, especially when it comes to you meeting someone that is coming out as a thief. I don't know if they're stealing from you financially, emotionally, energetically. I don't know, but there's definitely a thief here. That's what I'm showing here. I'm speaking to a divine feminine energy trying to possibly take your happiness. I'm seeing emotional pain. Be careful. Yeah, Be careful, utilize your discernment, trust your intuition, because there's an energy of somebody approaching trying to cause some sort of destruction. Whoever this person is could be financially stable, but it's like they have some sort of entity attachment. Anything else? Yeah, they have some sort of entity attachment to them, some sort of demonic entity. Yeah, everything that look good isn't good. Everything that glitter isn't gold from what I'm seeing here. Anything else? Yeah, I'm seeing that coming to an end. I'm seeing that there's some sort of transition or some sort of transformation where, you know, you going have gone through some sort of transformation, an ending, gone through some sort of ending for renewal, rebirth. And it seems like there's an energy of achievement here. It seems like you have gone through the dark to get to the light or something like that. Like you've learned some sort of lesson, some sort of life lesson, some sort of spiritual lesson. You're number one. You're the chosen one. A chosen one is what I'm showing here. Some of these people that tried to come up against you, and you're going to notice that a lot of people starting to get sick. That you will be servicing, walking away from if you haven't walked away from them. But if you've already walked away from some of these people, you'll notice that a lot of them are starting to get sick or something like that. I'm just seeing an energy of people eyes being sunken in, people having eye bags, people ending up in the hospital, having IVs attached to them and things like that. Anything else? I'm seeing a lot of abundance here for you guys. Like I said, you've learned some sort of lesson or something like that. I'm seeing achievement. I'm seeing abundance. You passed some sort of test and you got people giving you the evil eye. People feeling some type of way. And it could possibly even be a masculine energy that's surprised that you even like you overcame them. You beat them. Or you get what I'm saying? Like they weren't able to complete some sort of test, some sort of task. I feel like this person approached this was spiritual. This person approached you spiritually, they'll come up against you and defeat you spiritually. Just be cautious of the next person because I feel like whoever this energy is, whatever this entity is, likes to jump bodies. But you've already overcame this lesson. But it's like something is just out to get you. It's like it just want you to like not be happy. But you have nothing to worry about. You're definitely protected. Again, there's an energy of divinity all around you. Your spirit guides are assisting you. Just trust your gut. Trust your intuition. That's what I'm seeing here. Everything is definitely happening at divine time, and you got a lot of evil eyed people watching you, hoping to see you fall. Y'all have a good one. Can't keep going back to what I used to know.